This video will show you how to install one-piece projector headlights on your 2003 to 2005 Chevy Silverado. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Remove the 7 clips securing the plastic cover. Now remove the plastic cover. Remove the headlight locking pin. Remove the headlights and disconnect the headlight harness. Release the mounting tab at the corner of the bumper light. Then remove the light bulb sockets. Using a pair of pliers, release the mounting clips attaching the grille to the trunk. Remove the front grille. Install the light bulb sockets and connect the headlight harness to the new headlights. Then place it in the stock location. Replace the headlight locking pin. Press the new front grille into position, making sure the mounting clips are locked in. Replace the plastic cover. Now reinstall 7 plastic clips. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.